In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email addresses on LinkedIn profiles. It's important to note that in order to view the email addresses on LinkedIn, you must already be connected with the person you're interested in. So with that in mind, let's dive right in. To begin, you need to open the LinkedIn mobile app, which can be found as an icon on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, you'll see your home feed, but what we want to focus on is your profile. You'll need to tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This takes you directly to your LinkedIn profile where you can access more features and settings. Next, tap your profile icon once more. This will allow you to see the list of all your connections, which is essentially your network on LinkedIn. In this case, I'm using a tutorial account, and for demonstration purposes, I have just one connection available, which is my address tutorial account. From this list, you simply tap on the connection you wish to explore further. Doing this will redirect you straight to their LinkedIn profile. Now, as you view the profile, you'll notice multiple options available. Look for the 3 horizontal dots that appear right next to the Message button. This icon is usually located at the top right part of the profile screen. Tapping these dots will bring up another set of actions you can take. From these options, you want to select Contact Info. Upon selecting Contact Info, a new window will pop up displaying the details you need. Here, you will find the email address associated with that LinkedIn profile. It's displayed alongside other information such as the profile ID and possibly the person's birthday, provided that those details are set to be shared. It's very straightforward and takes just a few taps. Again, it's crucial to remember that you must be connected with the person first before you can view their email address. LinkedIn values privacy, so this feature ensures only mutual connections can access such personal information. And there you have it, a simple way to retrieve email addresses from LinkedIn profiles. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to keep providing useful content. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.